Namaste people, I am Anmol Sarkar. So if you have seen my introduction video, you guys must have an idea about who I am and what I'm trying to do and what this channel is all about. And if you have not seen that video for Facebook, I'll share the link in the comment section, and for YouTube in the description below. So please do not forget to like and subscribe my Facebook page as well as my YouTube channel, so I can come up with more such videos for you guys. Okay. So without wasting any further time, let's get straight down to today's topic. So if you have seen in last video how I was talking about various right-wing think tanks which are getting involved and all this DFN, and we were going through an overview of who is DFN, what is Freedom House, and etc., and all this kind of things. So in today's video we shall focus into one such institution known as Dalit Freedom Network. So if you have seen my last videos and last to last video, you guys must have constantly heard the word DFN and how this uh, many freedom house, many institutions which were involved in conversions and all this kind of things of Hindus. We have talked about various Thailand report on Hindus and every kind of thing, what Pat Robertson did and all this kind of things. So today we will see one such more institution which is goes by the name DFN. One sec. Yes, which goes by the name DFN, which is the Dalit Freedom Network. Okay. So this Dalit Freedom Network, now what is Dalit Freedom Network? This is an institution. First of all, this Dalit Freedom Network institution is based in Colorado, USA. Okay. Now this DFN is founded by Dr. Joseph D'Souza, who is the head of the AICC. AICC means All Indian Christian Council, and along with Nancy Ricks, a former missionary. Okay, so these were two people who were responsible for foundation of this DFN. Third, now what is the mission of this DFN? The mission of the DFN is to follow the command of Jesus. I'm quoting word to word, okay? I'm not making things up. To follow the command of Jesus Christ, who called us to be the salt of earth and the light of the world. This is the mission of the DFN, okay? Now what is the purpose of DFN? To fight for Dalit freedom and Dalit rights, Dalit right activist and all these kind of things. Basically to convert the Dalits into Christianity. And the cover they use is they are fighting for Dalit rights, minority rights, etc., so that we can be easily fooled. Okay. So this was the introduction. 4 points. It was found in Colorado in USA. Not much in detail. Founded by Dr. Joseph D'Souza, who was the head of All India Christian Councils, along with Nancy Ricks, former missionary. Mission to follow the command of Jesus Christ, who called us to be the salt of earth and the light of world, and fight for Dalit freedom and rights. Okay, this was a basic introduction about the DFN. So now we come to who are the members of this DFN. Okay. Now they have formed an advisory board of members in DFN, which will be responsible to propagate Christianity. Now the members of DFN are William Armstrong, who is a former Republican senator of the United States of America and who is now with the Colorado Christian University. Okay, William Armstrong, a Republican senator. Second is Louis Bush, an evangelist. So if you want to search about Louis Bush, you can read the Tehelka magazine reports how they exposed this Louis Bush, okay, and his evangelical, what we say, nonsense, we can say in simple words, but evangelical conversions and all these kind of things. Third is Thomas McCalley of the McAllen Foundation. Now this McAllen Foundation is a Christian education charitable trust which is used to fund more Christian education. Means they will fund children with Christian education. They will provide scholarships to underprivileged students and all, and then they will convert them into Christianity. And as I've said in last videos, how they target young students and children, we know. Okay. Now the fourth member is George Miley, who is the international president of the Antioch Network. Now what is the Antioch Network? In one line, it is a North American evangelical organization which is based in North America. So this George Miley is the international president of the Antioch Network. And fourth is John Gilman, head of the Dayspring International. Dayspring International is similar to this Thomas McAllen foundation which is responsible for funding various evangelical activities all over the world, especially in India. In India, they are much more aggressive. Okay, so these were the board members of DFN. Okay, so this was it for today, guys. I just wanted to give a basic introduction about DFN, what is Dalit Freedom Network, and how these things, how these people operate and what they do. So from next video you will get, when we use the DFN frequently, so you will get an idea about what I'm talking about and where this DFN come from and what is DFN that I do. So this was it for today, guys. Please enjoy this video and have a nice day.